Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust touch controls of your Anker Soundcore P3i. So first of all, we have to select them from this Anker application, and then we have to go for the controls and turn them on with the switcher. We can customize the press once, twice, and click and hold for 2 seconds. So we can change, for example, the press once currently is set up for the volume down. So when I click once, as you can see, I'm changing the volume. Basically, I'm decreasing the volume. So let's click on it, and I would like to, for example, volume up with the left one. So right now, when I press on it, I'm going to volume up. And that's how we can do this for each parameters. That's all for this video. Hope you like it.